What if I told you that right now, in 2026, there is a drone that can predict your every move? That it doesn't just follow you, it anticipates you. It sees the shot before you even think it. Today, we're not just talking about follow me mode. We're exposing the 5 machines that have completely rewritten the rules. But a warning, one of them has a hidden flaw that could cost you everything. All links to these futuristic drones are waiting in the description below. Let's begin, before they begin watching us. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More. Travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time, allowing you to focus more on the adventure and less on administrative hassles. For the latest aircraft firmware. This means that if you're utilizing this advanced battery during your flights, you can take full advantage of the remote ID's features, enhancing your flying experience and ensuring compliance with regulations. If your drone needs to be registered, such as this battery not only improves the drone's performance but also simplifies the registration process for commercial operations, meaning you can operate within legal parameters more easily. Number 2. Holy Stone HS710. The pinnacle of camera drones designed specifically for adults, this advanced model features a state-of-the-art UHD 4K camera that meticulously captures your unforgettable moments with stunning clarity and detail. The inclusion of a 120 degrees wide-angle lens allows you to expand your field of vision significantly, while the innovative remote-controlled 90 degrees adjustable structure offers unparalleled versatility in shot composition. Furthermore, the 5 GHz FPV, first-person view, technology ensures a longer range and smoother transmission of images, minimizing lag and providing a seamless experience. Equipped with intelligent flight features, this GPS-enabled drone offers multiple advanced functionalities tailored for adult users. With capabilities such as Follow Me, which tracks your movements as you engage in activities, Waypoint Flight, that allows you to set predefined points for the drone to navigate autonomously, Tap Fly for easy route planning by simply tapping on the screen, and Point of Interest to focus on specific areas while the drone circles around them, this drone epitomizes efficiency and convenience, enabling flight automation that liberates your hands for other tasks. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is an advanced drone featuring a high-quality 4/3 CMOS sensor that enhances image quality and detail. With a 24mm format equivalent lens ranging from f2.8 to f11, it allows photographers and videographers to produce stunning visuals with a resolution of 20 megapixels. This drone is equipped with a Hasselblad camera that excels in capturing raw photos, offering a remarkable dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops, ensuring that even in challenging lighting conditions, images retain rich detail and depth. In compliance with the FAA Remote ID regulations, the Mavic 3 Pro is designed for safe operation in the skies. Users can refer to the included compliance document for guidance on remote ID usage and must consider the FAA's guidelines for drone registration and compliance updates to ensure legal and safe flying practices. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is an impressive piece of technology that weighs less than 249 grams, which exempts it from registration requirements in most countries and regions. Its lightweight and compact design allows for easy portability, making it ideal for adventure enthusiasts who want to document their journey without the burden of heavy equipment. With a maximum ascent speed of 8 meters per second, this drone is built for enthusiasts who seek performance in addition to convenience. It provides an exceptional photographic experience with the ability to capture stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and breathtaking 48-megapixel photos. The advanced camera system is designed with dual native ISO and a wide f1.7 aperture, ensuring high-quality imagery whether it's day or night. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The legendary Swedish brand Hasselblad has a rich history of creating high-quality imaging equipment, and in collaboration with DJI, they have customized the L2D20C aerial camera specifically for the Mavic 3 series. This partnership has resulted in a remarkable camera that features a professional-grade 4/3 CMOS sensor, which is known for its ability to capture stunning images and videos, all while fitting into an impressively compact form factor ideal for drone applications. In terms of regulatory compliance, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic adheres to the FAA Remote ID rule, an important requirement for drone operators in the USA. This compliance ensures that users of the Mavic 3 Classic can confidently fly their drones while meeting the necessary legal obligations. So, which of these 2026 AI companions will be following you? The choice is yours. But this is just the beginning. Next week, we test what happens when one of these drones fails. You won't want to miss it. If this video made you rethink what's possible, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to more creators. Share it with someone who needs a robotic camera operator. And subscribe, because the future of filming is coming faster than you think. I'll see you in the next one.